Yeah, a small method uh, for the evaluation, digital online evaluation, for mid evaluation. Previously, for a few of the colleagues, I've explained about the evaluation method which can be done through the Microsoft, through the Teams or through the OneDrive. It was a bit difficult for to evaluate. There is a big lengthy process where we have to download each and every file. We have to copy it into OneDrive, and then we have to evaluate, and then we have to update it. But here right now, from the update which is given by the Google, uh, which you can do the evaluation within a easiest method. You can do it in two ways. One, you can do it in a mobile version, either even you can do it through a desktop version. I will do the two short videos. One is, first one I will do it to related to the evaluation method in the mobile. Another one I will do it in the PC or desktop method. Each has got its own advantage and disadvantage. So why this method is required for digital online evaluation is because in the previous method we can directly marks award the marks and we can submit the papers, but rubrics or what equal distribution of marks for each question is difficult to find out, where when we are going for the submission of the COPO for the NBA method, each marks for each question has to be awarded. So if you are not going to do it, so it will be difficult for us at the end to equally uniformly to distribute. It's a big task. So for that, to avoid, better we can do it awarding of the marks individually there itself, and the students also can go through the evaluation procedure what they have awarded the marks individually, and if any comments to be given, we can also add the comments to that paper, and they can also go through that. So I will explain the method how to do it. So what we have done is, like, for the mid paper after submission, as an assignment in the Google Classroom, the students have submitted their papers. So we will go through that papers where they have submitted. For me, let's go through the ABC batch which we have divided. I have taken a B batch over here as an example. So from this I have to go to the classroom and I have to select my subject whatever I have done. So this is AE mid. So let me go through one sample paper. This is 45, the sample paper which I have taken up. So let me select this, and the right corner on the top there is a pencil mark which has been given, and the beside 16 automobile 16 paper there is a pencil mark which has been given here. Select that pencil mark with your digital pen. You have to purchase some digital pen. In the bottom I will give you a link to purchase for the digital pen, which doesn't cost you more than 350 rupees. You can, it is available in Amazon. So if you select this icon, then the paper will be redirected for an evaluation. The bottom you can find some icons here. There is pencil, there is a pen and highlighter, sketch, this is eraser, this is pencil. When pen, you can select with different colors, different thickness, and then you can go through the sketch with the large thickness, and next you can go through the highlighter one. So anything you can select. I have selected a pen, and let me go through the sample evaluation one. So here I'm evaluating here for each question, just for 2 marks and 1 mark one, and I will select this page in the right and left one icon which is given here to move to the left for the next pages. Please read out this and you can evaluate this marks. This is an example I'm giving you just to understand this, and here I'm going with the objectives, just the example method I'm going through that how to evaluate this. So I've added the marks 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. So here I will select a different color to award the marks. 12 by 20. I can sign it here also, and after signing this I have to save this file. So this saved file will be viewed by the students. They can go through individually what the marks has been awarded for each question. So here select in the 3 buttons which is given in the right corner, and press save. So automatically the paper will be saved. So if you want to give any comments here for that paper, you can give the comments over here, like improve whatever the comments is there, and after this you can award the marks over here, and you can return the paper. Return. So this method has got one advantage and disadvantage. Advantage is like easily, simply within a meantime we can evaluate. Disadvantage, only thing is like there will be two papers. Automatically the paper which you have done the evaluation will not be saved there. It will be saved as another file, as edited file here. So student has to find below another file to find his what do you call, edited file one. Then only you can go through the what awarded marks has been given. Okay, so you can recheck it whether the marks awarded or not, the evaluation has been done or not. You can go back here and you can go through the marked one. So here on the bottom, which is a 45 roll number, here I have given the marks here. So here, see, now the student, when he opens it, he finds two files here. The left is actual file and the right is edited file. So after the evaluation which is done, you can check this file, see here, in this way. Okay, hope this is clear for everyone to evaluate. This is method 1 in the mobile one. The method 2, either if you are not having your digital pen, you can evaluate also through the desktop or the laptop one. That method I will show you in the video number 2. We can continue with the video number 2 in the next one. Thank you. Hope everyone, this video is helpful for everyone.